Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all 5G network issues. 5G not working, 5G symbol is not showing, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select general management, tap here. Go down, tap on reset. Go down, tap on reset mobile network settings. Then tap on reset settings. Tap on reset. Done. You can see network settings reset. After this reset operation, we can check 5G. 5G should work. Okay, this is a method 1. If this method is not working, then go to method 2. Method 2. Again go to settings. So let me close it. Again go to settings. Then go to connections. Tap on mobile networks. So here we have to select network mode. Tap on network mode. Then select first option 5G. Then enable voice over 5G. Tap here and enable voice over 5G. If you are outside home network, enable data roaming. Tap here, enable data roaming. Tap on network operators. We should enable this option. Select automatically. Enable it. Then go back. Go back. Tap on data usage. Then enable mobile data. Tap here, enable mobile data. So after this, you can check 5G. 5G should work. So this way we can fix all 5G network related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.